In capitalism, if you're not paying for it, then you're the product.
We have an open source model coming out soon. I think people are going to be, yeah. I don't want to like steal the team's glory and pre-announce this, but I think you all will be astonished. I think it will be like much better than you're hoping for. And the ability to like use it to run incredibly powerful models locally is going to like really, really surprise people on what's possible.
I'll give you an example. If you're using a piece of software or an app like your Facebook, your Instagram, etc., you're not paying for it. But in exchange for that, your data and your attention is being sold to a third party for advertisement or something like that. For artificial intelligence, it's a different thing. What if we have like free AI models that all of us can use for free? Is it the same business model where our data and our attention is being sold in exchange for free usage? I do not know, but let's look at it this way. A couple of hours ago, OpenAI launched two open source models. One is GPT OSS 120B, which is a high scale open source model that you can use in a data center or in a heavy duty computer or desktop. Then they launched another one, which is GPT OSS 20B, which you can use in any computer, even your normal laptop. Part of it that is so interesting for me is the fact that open source accelerates innovation. I love open source a lot. It brings about innovation. It helps students, researchers, developers, etc. It makes your work easy.
But like right now, we're in an interesting time where the product overhang relative to what the models are capable of is here. The products that people have figured out to build is way down here. There's a huge, even if the models got no better, which of course they will, there's a huge amount of new stuff to build.
The essence of this video is to talk about enterprise use of open source AI models. For enterprise use, I think use open source for just experiment with open source, but never put it in your production environment. Why do you want to do that? There's a reason why it's open source. There's a lot of guardrails that should go into an AI model that is not going to be in an open source model. There's a lot of quality assurance that should go into an AI model that will most likely not be in an open source model. So you have to ensure your guardrail, and even if you're using an open source model, you have to ensure that it is well fine-tuned with the right data, else you're just going to be wrong at the end of the day. So open source is good for all of us, it's good for everyone, but I do not think you should use it in production. That's for enterprise application or companies and businesses.